So guys, we are using our battery, 19 ampere 12 volt battery for our 500 watt inverter. So guys, as you can see, so we are connecting the negative to the black wire, the negative, and the positive to the red wire, guys. So guys, as you can see, I've connected our battery, as you can see, the minus and the positive to our inverter. So let's test it, guys. So guys, as you can see, it is working. So let's test the output. So guys, as you can see, the inverter is working very fine. So guys, this is 500 watt inverter, modified sine wave, and this is our battery, 12 volts, 19 ampere. So guys, as you can see, it is working very fine. Our battery is capable for it. So as you can see, guys, so if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. So next time I will do another video, guys, on how to use this inverter for our home. So thank you for watching. So guys, as you can see,